Hi guys, I will show you on this video how to install IBO Player on your Amazon Fire Stick. So first you will need to go to Find, then go to App Store, click on App Store, go to Search, then click on Search, and here type IBO Player. And I can see among the suggestions IBO Player, so I will click on it. Then I will select this app, it's the second one, IBO Pro TV, so click on it and click on download. So you will need to wait for the app to get downloaded. It might take up to 1 minute to get downloaded. And once it's downloaded, you will need to click on open. So I will click on open and I can see that the app has been successfully installed on my TV. To make this app working, you will need to purchase a playlist. You can buy the playlist from the link that you can find on the first comment. You can also find this link in the description of this video.